Top things homeowners should do to protect their property. 1. Schedule a roof inspection. Spotting small problems before they get big can save you thousands in roof repair costs and extend its life. Leaky roofs lead to water damage, mold, and expensive repairs, so catching a defect early is important. 2. Schedule a pest inspection/treatment. Having pest pros come over to inspect your investment and pre-treat it for pests is invaluable. 3. Get homeowners insurance and home warranty. A homeowner's insurance policy is a standard requirement for homeowners that have a mortgage, but it can be optional when your house is paid off. 4. Service the HVAC. This extends the life of your property's heating and air conditioning unit and prevents health issues like mold and mildew from developing in the unit. 5. Schedule gutter cleanings. Depending on where your home is situated, you may need to schedule gutter cleanings more frequently than 1 year, especially if you live around deciduous trees. 6. Change HVAC air filters. Homeowners should change filters monthly to reduce strain on the cooling and heating system and lower power consumption. 7. Get an energy audit. By getting a tax-deductible energy audit on your property, you can check what parts of your home have areas for improvement. 8. Get smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. While smoke detectors should be standard in the home inspection list and new construction builders checklist, homeowners can slip up on these protective measures over time. 9. Get fire extinguishers. While every home should have at least one fire extinguisher per 2,100 square feet, it never hurts to have more. 10. Get a home security system. Did you know that homes with a security system are 3 to 4 times less likely to be broken into? Even something as simple as a garage door camera or Ring doorbell can be a great home improvement that gets more surveillance on your home. Thanks for watching.